Hello everyone, today we will be looking at Gorgias customer support tutorial for Shopify 2025 full guide. Customers expect fast, personalized, and efficient responses, and failing to meet those expectations can lead to lost sales and negative reviews. This is where Gorgias, a leading customer support help desk for Shopify, comes in. Gorgias centralizes all customer interactions in one platform, allowing businesses to respond to inquiries from email, live chat, social media, and SMS without switching between multiple apps. In this guide, we will walk you through the complete setup and optimization of Gorgias for Shopify in 2025, from installation and automation setup to managing inquiries and analyzing performance. We will cover everything you need to know to elevate your customer support experience. Whether you are a small business looking to improve response times or a growing brand aiming for scalability, Gorgias can help you achieve your support goals efficiently. Step 1. Installing Gorgias on Shopify. To get started with Gorgias, you first need to install it on your Shopify store. Go to the Shopify App Store. Search for Gorgias Help Desk. Click Add App. Install Gorgias and connect it to your Shopify store. Grant permissions. Allow Gorgias to sync with Shopify, giving it access to customer data and order details. Complete account setup. Enter your business information such as company name, email, and support preferences. Customize basic settings. Configure notification preferences, team roles, and integrations. Once installed, Gorgias will be available in your Shopify dashboard, ready for setup and optimization. This integration ensures that customer support requests are handled efficiently within your e-commerce workflow. Step 2. Connecting communication channels. Gorgias allows you to centralize customer support by integrating multiple communication channels into one platform. This ensures that you can manage inquiries efficiently and provide seamless support across different platforms. 1. Email integration. Connect your support email to Gorgias to automatically convert customer inquiries into support tickets. This allows you to organize and track responses within a single dashboard. 2. Live chat support. Add Gorgias live chat widget to your Shopify store so customers can get real-time assistance while browsing your website. You can customize chat settings, set business hours, and even automate replies for common questions. 3. Social media messaging. Integrate Facebook Messenger, Instagram DMs, and WhatsApp to manage social media inquiries directly from Gorgias. This helps provide quick responses to customer concerns without switching between apps. 4. SMS support. Enable SMS messaging to engage customers via text. This is useful for order updates, shipping notifications, and direct customer support. To connect these channels, go to the Settings tab in Gorgias. Select the desired channel and follow the integration instructions. By centralizing all communication, Gorgias ensures that no customer inquiry goes unanswered, leading to a better customer satisfaction and efficiency. Step 3. Automating customer support with macros. Macros in Gorgias help automate responses to common customer inquiries, reducing response times and improving efficiency. By setting up macros, your support team can handle frequent questions quickly and consistently. To create a macro, go to Automations, Macros in Gorgias. Click New Macro and enter a relevant title. Example, Order Status Inquiry. Define the automated response. Use dynamic placeholders such as the customer's name and order number for personalization. Save and apply. Use macros across live chat, email, and social media messages. Example macro, Customer Inquiry. Where is my order? Automated response. Hi, customer name. Your order ID is on its way. Track it here. Order tracking. By leveraging macros, your support team can provide faster, accurate responses while maintaining a personalized customer experience. Step 4. Setting up rules and automations. Rules in Gorgias help automate ticket management by sorting customer inquiries based on specific triggers. This feature improves efficiency by ensuring messages are routed to the right team or reserve automated responses. To create a rule, go to Settings, Rules, Create New Rule. Choose a trigger. Example, if a message contains refund, assign it to the billing team. Define an action. Set the rule to auto-respond. Assign the ticket to a specific team member or tag it for tracking. Activate the rule. Save and apply it to streamline workflow. automating ticket handling helps reduce manual work, speed up responses, and ensures customers get the right support quickly. Step 5. Managing customer inquiries efficiently. Gorgias offers a unified dashboard that simplifies ticket management and improves response time. With its centralized system, you can handle customer inquiries more efficiently. Prioritize urgent requests. Use tags and filters to sort and address high-priority tickets first. View order history. Access Shopify order details directly within each ticket for quick reference. Collaborate with team members. Assign tickets. Leave internal notes and ensure smooth communication within your support team. Respond quickly with canned responses. Save and use pre-written messages for common questions to speed up responses. By leveraging these features, you can streamline your customer support process, reduce response time, and improve overall customer satisfaction. Step 6. Using live chat for real-time support. Live chat is a great way to provide instant customer support and improve engagement. To enable it in Gorgias, follow the steps. Go to Settings, Live Chat. Customize the chat widget to match your brand. Set business hours. Define the hours when live chat will be available. Enable automated replies. Use AI-powered responses for common inquiries to reduce wait times. Monitor chat analytics. Track key metrics like response time and customer satisfaction. Assign chats efficiently. Distribute conversations among team members for faster resolution. Use canned responses. Save and reuse common replies to streamline communication. By optimizing live chat, you can enhance customer experience and resolve issues quickly. Step 7. Analyzing support performance. Measuring customer support efficiency helps improve response times and satisfaction. Gorgias provides key metrics such as first response time, how quickly the first reply is sent, resolution time, time taken to resolve customer inquiries, customer satisfaction score or CSAT, feedback from customers on support quality, agent performance reports, track team productivity and response efficiency. Use these insights to optimize your customer support strategy. Step 8. Integrating Gorgias with other Shopify apps. Gorgias works well with other Shopify tools to enhance customer support. Klaviyo, sync customer interactions for better email marketing. Yotpo, manage customer reviews directly from Gorgias. Recharge, handle subscription-related support inquiries. Loyalty apps, integrate with loyalty programs for customer reward support. Step 9. Best practices for Shopify customer support. To maximize customer satisfaction, follow these best practices. Personalize interactions. Address customers by name and refer to past orders. Use proactive messaging. Send updates before customers ask. Streamline responses. Automate repetitive tasks to save time. Offer multiple support channels. Provide email, chat, and social media support. Train your team. Keep agents updated on product details and support workflows. In conclusion, Gorgias is a powerful tool for streamlining customer support in Shopify, helping businesses provide fast and efficient service. By integrating multiple communication channels such as email, live chat, social media, and SMS, you can manage all customer interactions from a single dashboard, reducing response times and improving workflow efficiency. With automation tools like macros and rules, repetitive tasks such as order status updates, refund requests, and fax can be handled instantly, allowing your support team to focus on more complex issues. Investing in strong customer support is essential for e-commerce success. By implementing these steps, you can reduce workload, enhance customer relationships, and ultimately drive more sales. Whether you are a small Shopify store or a large brand, optimizing your customer support with Gorgias in 2025 will help you deliver exceptional service and boost customer loyalty. And that is all there is on Gorgias customer support tutorial for Shopify 2025 full guide. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss an update. See you in our next video.